Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Do you no longer enjoy using Snapchat and want to get rid of your account for good? In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently, whether you are using an iPhone or Android. Let's go. To remove your Snapchat account permanently, you need to follow the same steps whether you are using an Android or an iPhone device. Alternatively, you can also access the deletion page from a web browser by clicking the tag above. On your mobile device, open Snapchat and log in to your account. Click your profile from the left side of the screen and tap the gear button to open Settings. From the Settings screen, scroll down to find Account Actions. Then click on Delete Account. A message will appear from Snapchat that if you want to delete your account, you have to input your username and password below. Enter your valid credentials and tap on Continue to confirm your account deletion. Once you fulfill the steps, Snapchat deactivates your account immediately. However, it gives you 30 days to recover your account in case you change your mind. At the end of this recovery period, Snapchat deletes your account permanently and cannot be recovered. A permanent deletion of your Snapchat account means that the portal erases all the data associated with your account from its database servers. Therefore, nothing remains of your account, including your Snapchat memories, after the deletion process. So if you need them, keep in mind to store them first locally on your device. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.